decided to hurt me. And then, so like, okay, let's do the apology. I get a apology. Here we go. Mimi Morale, I, Christine Mugiba, apologize that you decided to put me in the middle of your relationship that is non-existent. And you decided to hurt me. And after what happened, after fat and setting on multiple days, you decided to be a midnight staring and leave my house multiple occasions. You've cried in my arms and I've comforted you multiple times. And then after that, you still left when they called you. So I apologize. Are you happy? Oh, you apologize. That's my apology. Also, like, what I don't understand is that this is not defamation or anything. These people broke up last year, right? Now, I was dating someone, fine. I knew Mimi, we were doing business, right? And I didn't even see anything from her outside the whole business thing that we were doing.
Phakathi inside emathumbini welekompo akhambi kahle guys. Hi bazali bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. So there's a girl that called Self-Made Barbie. I don't know Self-Made Barbie or Self-Made Bab, but because kuma social media Barbie wayikhona akaphelelanga. You understand? So this girl, someone I look up to, who drive a very beautiful Jeep. In a beautiful house, guys. She looks very rich to me. She looks like someone who can afford, and she's very young. She can afford a lot of things, and she's into business, guys. I do love Mina. I'm a Thomas who are into business. I'm a Thomas who I look up to, like who I can see their progress, or who can see they are successful and they are working for themselves, guys. So, guys, Self-Made Barbie look to her uthandana utena. She's in a relationship, or she was in a relationship with Umimi, guys. We know that Umimi, she's in a relationship with Ushandes, which is a beautiful company artist, a very talented one, guys. In relationship Mimi and Ushandes was out there, but a few months back there were allegations that were saying Umimi and Ushandes they are no longer together. So Self-Made Barbie Saraya Shuti, yes, they were no longer together. They broke up in December, and Umimi they had something. We are Shuti and Umimi they loved each other. Oh yeah, she loved Umimi don't love her. Umimi uthanda Ushandes uthanda abafana. Guys, yabona when it comes to indaba kaShandesh, I think ngamela because I do not think Ushandesh she's a lesbian, but I do think she's bi, because before Umimi waba open ukuthi she was only dating guys. Umimi is the first girlfriend ake wathandana nayo. So obvious maka cheater, it's either uzocheater ngamantombazana or ngabafana, which is understandable. So kuthiwa uShandes was cheating namantombazana. Bachithela Umimi ngamantombazana. So inhliziyo ka Self-Made Baba lo ubhlungu kabi kuba kanjani songichithela sohleli kam wagibela imoto yami. We started business. We were in business together. Ukalekim, like I hooked up with a lot of things. I didn't really think it will go back to Shandesh. I really didn't think it'll go back to Shandesh. You know, I think 2026 as Dominica Shilo, unyaka wa flag. If you are a part of flag, I think you should really check imihambo yakho, because it seems like this year iminyaka yokuthi unyaka wokuthi abantu who are in a part of the flag to be exposed, because it was Dominic Zaka, Sasisapelula Sizwa Kipikacha. Now it's Shandesh. And those we love and those we look up to. Even to Puma Skach after Skach. I'm disappointed to go Shandesh? No, 100% no. Guys, people they do cheat. And Arazu Shandesh was she doesn't have feelings for Abafana. And we always knew Guti. She was in a relationship with guys before Umim. Maybe she's not even bi, maybe she's a straight girl, just that she really loved Umimi, or maybe Umimi gave her what she really wanted, guys. Then, do I feel sorry for Umimi? No, I don't feel sorry for Umimi. I do feel for Self-Made Barbie, because I feel like, when you are in love and you love someone and she keeps on telling you amanga, or he keeps on telling you amanga, you have nothing to do about that. but to believe the guy or to believe the girl that you are in a relationship, I do feel sorry shame for her. I don't know why Umim will date this girl, because this girl's not the first time I suppose or Muntatanana. If you date her and we insist in just the problem. If you are this and you are dating this guy, you will have a serious problem. This girl, you'll have a serious problem, because definitely so she'll expose you. And she looks like a spender, guys. She looks like when you are dating her, she'll spend on you. Just that guys, I do feel sorry for her. That is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ginithanda ukuya nokubuya.